I'm back. I need to do a part 2 of the SHEIN haul for mom stuff because I found a little nest that my sweet little Joshua took off with and hid. So, as I had those others out, he was going a little crazy over here. Couldn't help himself. This is his favorite, so I better show it to you before he sees that I have it. This is the robot. So I think I went a little overboard with this one. Yes, I know, but let me tell you what I was thinking when I bought it. I thought, like, for STEM, you know, the sciences and stuff like that, I thought it was really cool. Okay, look, I'm gonna give you back your robot. There you go. Thank you, Joshua. So he's pretty much taken over that, so I doubt I'll ever actually use it for that, but I thought it was cute. And then this I got for one of the schools around here. The mascot is an owl. So I thought, oh, and the robot was, I think, $1. And it's like really nice quality. There's a little owl. I thought it was going to be bigger. I'm not quite as impressed with this, but it did come with a little miniature owl. So I'd probably put this on a ribbon. You know, the owl and the owl. Oops, the owl and the owl. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Thank you. So there's those. And okay, the next thing that I really thought was cute, this little dog. It's I don't know what material or I don't know what this is made of, but it's, bless you, it's almost got like a rubbery feel, but it doesn't like have any give to it or anything. What did you do with that, sweetie?
My dog.
Okay, I'll let you see it right after this. So I thought maybe, you know, somebody that's a dog lover or something. I thought that was super cute. Okay, Joshua, here you go. Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, bye.
You're welcome, honey. Make sure not to lose it and put it back on the rack, okay? When you're finished, okay, sweetie? And then this I got just because I thought it was cute, and that this is kind of that same consistency the heart is. And then this can be used like separately. I don't know. $1. The dog I think was actually $1.50. Oh, and this was on the this keychain as well, and I thought this could be used for something cool. So probably disconnect that, you know, and then you could like have this as part of the, you know, attach, or maybe not disconnect this, but attach it up at the top. And then this could have something on it, like maybe the dog, or I don't know what, but I thought it was really cool. Like, just add some texture and dimension. Something different. This was $1. It came with all of that. Oh, thank you. There's the dog he wants us to have back. Thank you for that. Let's see. Other items that were left out of the last video. Oh, this part, which I love. Love. It's $1 SHEIN. Beautiful. Okay, you can take the dog back. Oh, you want to show it? Put it under here to show it. All right, thank you. And then some of the things that I got for, this was $1, and I could not believe it. I think it was one. Could have been two. Comes in a little box. And it's an Eiffel Tower, and it's metal. And it's so cute. Let's see how big it is. Let's show them how big it is, baby. Look. It is 3 inches tall by about 1 1/4 wide. And isn't that cute, y'all? So this could go in the flower. This could go on one of the senior mums. It could definitely just go hanging. That would be so awesome for somebody that's, you know, all about the Paris theme. My niece would love that. Except she would want it in gold. So we have that. And then, you want to show them that one, sweetie? I have a couple of those, actually. So here's the next size up that I got. I think this one was $2. Be careful, don't rip the box. And this one is gold also. So this could be for definitely senior mom, but it would need to be one that's in gold unless you wanted to paint. You could spray paint this because it is metal. So that might actually be worth it to spray paint it. And this one's larger, like I said. This one is...
There's this. Wait.
Oh, can you put it... You want to show them that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, here's the smaller gold one. It's a little bit darker of a gold. I'm not as impressed with it as I am with the silver. Where did our silver one go, sweetie? Oh, lovely. Okay, see, I'll show you. I'll put all three of them out there so we can kind of see. Yeah, it looks like they're about the same. It's just the silver one I bought first, and then I went back and I bought this, but I wasn't as impressed. So this, okay, 5 inches tall by 2 inches wide. So isn't that cute? And this one's just like the silver one, except it looks like a really dark gold. So I would definitely paint that one myself, spray paint it probably, because it's a really cool piece. And I bet you nobody would have that. So those are the rest of the charm type things, or dangle trinkety things. Let me show you these that I got. These were in their beads, which I thought were really pretty. I think it was $1 each. So I don't know, but I really love the shininess. And then there's blue, because like I said, I have that school that I do that's blue, black, silver, and white. So, and then the one that I do most of them for is the red and black, and of course silver and white. So those, we have those.
My those.
Oh, thank you, Joshua. And then I found these I got on there, but I am not very impressed with the quality of these at all. And these were like the most expensive thing I bought on SHEIN, I think. These were $4.50 or something like that. But they're plasticky, and they, I don't know, if they were like at least silver or something, I guess again I could spray paint them. But and again, it would work on a senior mom. And it came with like a pretty big, I forgot how many yards it is. I forgot how many yards, but it's probably 3 yards or 4. But it was like $6, I think, or either 4 or 6. But either way, I don't spend that much on one item at SHEIN usually. So I was like, ooh, and I was not impressed with the quality at all. Oh my, he's got all 3 of the Eiffel Towers out. He did not know about those before this. I got these on there, $1 for this pack. I believe it's 1 yard. We all know what these are. The flower rhinestone mesh. Oh yes, thank you, sweetie. And then this was $1. It's a yard of this like bling hot fix type stuff, where you, well, really you don't have to iron it, but it's better if you do. You can like either just cut it into a strip or whatever you want to do with it. Or what I do is usually add it onto ribbons, like for the bubble, I mean not bubble, for the loopy braids. I add these as little bling strips on there and things like that. So, oh, thank you, Joshua. Okay, and then some of these that I got, I'll just show you quickly. From SHEIN, all usually $1. Now some of these actually are not from SHEIN. They are from AliExpress, but I think there's only a couple. This one is SHEIN. Oh no,
there's SHEIN.
Yeah, that's from SHEIN. So I probably won't show much of this, but these are nice if somebody has gold. Really nice accent, you know, on the ribbon or something like that.
What's that?
Thank you. Those. These little, you know, just to add on to the ribbons. Okay, thank you. Let's see here. Oh, watch out, baby. And then we have these. I love these. Love, love, love. I believe those were $1 for those. $1 for just some basic rhinestones, but just know that these are tiny. Love, love, love these. Super, super shiny. Very cute. These are actually beads. You could string them on. And these are actually for nails, I believe. I think these are the nail ones. Wait, let me see. My. Yeah, these are, I think, for nails. So, I don't, let's see. How can I make sure y'all see this better? Let me see. Okay, when I put it on the green, it turns everything like a weird color. But maybe you can see from the shadow. I know, my lighting is so bad in here, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, he just dumped all of my rhinestone thing. You see that? All of it dumped. Okay, well, that's pretty much all I was going to show you on the part 2 because I left some of those out. So thank y'all, and I will come back with another video later. Bye, y'all.
Deals.
Say bye, Joshua.
Bye, Dad.